and welcome back to How to Fix Online. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to fix Crunchyroll subtitle. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Crunchyroll app is not showing subtitles while playing a content, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you've updated your Crunchyroll application to the latest version. Simply tap open Play Store from your Android device and go to the search box at the top. Type in Crunchyroll in the search bar and perform your search. If you see an open button right next to Crunchyroll application, that means your application is already updated. But if you see an update button, give a tap to that button and you'll be able to download the latest version of Crunchyroll application on your Android. Once you have the latest version, tap open and make sure that you are logged into your Crunchyroll account. Go ahead and find a content you'd like to play and tap it on. Tap on Start Watching, and once the video starts to play, give a tap on the screen and tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will take you to the playback settings of your Crunchyroll app. Tap on Subtitles/CC option and make sure that you've selected any language of your choice that you want to view your subtitle on. In my case, I'm gonna choose English. Once you select the option, you'll be able to enable subtitle on your Crunchyroll account. If that still does not work, the next thing you can try out is to clear your cache data from your Crunchyroll app. Go ahead and find Crunchyroll application on your app drawer and press hold the application. Tap on App Info from the expanded pop-up and select Storage. Tap Clear Cache at the bottom right, and once you clear out your cache data, go back to Crunchyroll app and tap it on. Now, go ahead and find a content you'd like to play and check if that solves your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your subtitle is not showing on your Crunchyroll application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.